let's try this thing out, huh? You guys ready to try out the new Cricut Easy Press 2? You have to go out, when you're using the Easy Press, you go out to the Cricut website, and then there's an Easy Press guide out there, and it'll tell you, depending on what your t-shirt or whatever your material is, and it'll tell you based on whether you're using a mat or not, and what kind of heat transfer you're using. It'll tell you how long it needs to stay on there. It'll tell you how hot it needs to be, and if you peel it when it's cool or you peel it when it's warm. So that's the heat guide. And so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to add that to this video so you guys can kind of see that process. Okay, so here we are out on the Easy Press guide, the heat guide, and what we're going to do is we are going to select our material. Our heat transfer material now is going to be the glitter. It's going to be regular glitter, not glitter mesh. Base material is a t-shirt that is 100% cotton. And we are using a Cricut Easy Press mat, so we apply, and it tells us to set our Easy Press for 330 degrees for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to make a shirt that I've been dying to make. Wow, I'm going to put my design on the shirt. This is going to be another layer. So I'm going to layer this. I just lined it up with a tag. So here we go, 30 seconds on the front side. With light pressure. Okay. Now we're going to flip it to the back. And we're going to do 15. Do it this way. I want it to cover the whole design. We're going to go 15 seconds. So when it gets to 15, I'll stop it with light pressure. You could set it for 15, but I just do the usual 30 and just stop at 15. And we're there. So there's that. We're going to flip it back over. And we have to let it cool peel. So I'll be back in just a minute. Once it's cooled, we'll peel it and see how it looks. Oops. There we go. It's almost there. I'm just going to peek. Looks like it's going to stick. Oh my gosh. It's going to be so cute. So